Boost is
amazing,
inspiring,
refreshing,
diverse,
building my capacity,
uplifting,
fun, invigorating.
And the time that we have right now is time for reflection. And I want you to think about the work and the journey, but I also want you to applaud what you've been able to do.
I'm here because you are my heroes. The After School Alliance, we have a very simple mission, which is that we want every child in this country to have access to the best possible after school and summer learning programs.
Boost is
Ichiban,
an awesome opportunity for people to connect together.
family.
where love exists.
The best.
My first job ever was OST. And what we do, what you do, is so crucial to so many kids that I think it often gets underlooked. I sincerely thank you and Tia and everyone here at Boost for what you're doing.
Boost is
Purpose reconfirming.
Informative.
Enlightening.
The best conference you can attend in Palm Springs, California.
Education at its heart is learning how to do this across difference. So many neighbors and communities lost their homes in the Los Angeles fires. The communities there in so many ways are gathering. They're meeting. Increase the desire to be in a mess together so that you have resilience and creativity to come together and say, let's figure out what is the next right step.
make this worth it. Make our children proud. As Audre Lorde said, each of us must find our work and do it. This is how we do our work, together. This is how we rewrite the story of now.
Boost is
a vibe, an experience, something like nothing else.
Boost is life-changing.